In this video, we are going to review TimeBucks Review, Egypt Earning Platform, or just a waste of time. So, as you can see, reviewers had a great experience with this company. People appreciate the platform for providing opportunities to earn extra income, with payments being processed swiftly. Consumers highlight the variety of earning methods available and find the platform easy to use. Many users have received their payments as promised and consider the platform reliable. The reviews are mainly positive. People are saying, "Thank you, TimeBucks. Only if you can give me and probably some others in Nigeria a better and fast earning opportunities." And others saying, "A few years ago I joined TimeBucks and was earning a few dollars doing their surveys and was getting paid every time I reached payout level. I no longer remember why I stopped using that side 5-6 years ago at 90. My memory is not so good anymore." By accident, the TimeBucks webpage showed on my browser, and I noticed there was about 10 still in my account, and admin promptly paid me that today. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.